Hey, hello, hi. It's me, Hexa. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to another Lush Kitchen unboxing. I'm gonna be real with you guys because I feel like Lushies are a very nice, kind, understanding breed of person. So I'm just gonna say that this week I've been going through probably the worst depressive episode that I've had since like 2015, and I didn't know that I was still capable of being in such depths of apathy. And there is no part of me right now that wants to do anything except sleep to avoid my problems. But I'm filming this video because I'm just trying to put one foot in front of the other and hope that it makes this all go away. So because on this week's to-do list was to film this video, here I am filming this video. And you know, I'm actually excited about the contents of this box, but I'm just having trouble summoning the excitement. I just realized my contact information is still on this box, but I'm hoping my camera quality isn't good enough that you can see it. Ugh. Ow. I messed up my nails by drilling the heckin' hex out of them. That was my toes, by the way. I keep my toes in some weird positions that make them crack. What was I saying? I messed up my nails with a nail drill, and now they're like super thin, and I can't even like scratch off the label from this box because they're just too thin to get under the tape and accomplish anything. Or maybe, I don't know. We're trying. Forget about it. Anyway, the box. My microphone's over here. I hope that it's close enough that it can capture the sound coming from my mouth accurately. I'm calling it now. This video is going to have chaotic energy, but that's totally fine. We're cool. It's chill. Chaotic energy is entertaining to some. Okay, so as you will know, if you've seen my Lush Kitchen unboxings before, I usually like to start with what was on the vote, what I voted for, and why. But if you saw my April Lush Kitchen unboxing, you'll know that I accidentally read out the wrong vote. In last month's video, April's Lush Kitchen unboxing, I read the May vote, so I won't be reading the vote for May because I read it in that video. So if you want to see this box's vote, you can watch my April Lush Kitchen unboxing, and that is my sneaky way to try to get you to watch more of my videos. Now, I would just like to comment that the size and shape of this box is different than every single other Lush Kitchen box we've ever gotten. They have always been the exact same shape and size, but this one is like the surface area is closer to a square. I should probably show you the bottom of it that doesn't have my address labels. The surface area of it is almost a square, and it's just like, I don't know, I feel like it's shorter. It's different. I don't know why, but let's just dive right in and see what's inside, shall we? It smells good. The box smells good. Oh, also, the whole house is cold except my room, which is like way too hot because the sun is on this side of the house in the mornings, and it's like 10 a.m. right now. I can't believe I'm awake at 10 a.m. I used to never be awake at 10 a.m. And anyways, it's like super hot. I want to change into shorts, but I won't. Let's open the box. Woohoo! Cool. We have a little note card that says, "The party begins here." It's our second birthday and we're bringing the party to your bathroom. For an impromptu shower shindig, pour yourself a large... Oh, no. Spoilers. Not looking at the spoilers. I don't want spoilers yet. Okay. First thing is the spoiler that we got, which is the cocktail shower gel. They have this like cute confetti themed label on it. It's this gorgeous purple, dark purple color, very similar to purple carrots, which we got in last month's box. I kind of wished that we had gotten a big bottle of this because it sounded like it smells good, but let's actually smell it and find out, shall we? Color looks exactly like purple carrots. Yes, I wish I had a big bottle of this. This smells so good. If you hear like a rubbing sound, it's me rubbing my legs together because I have restless legs syndrome this week, also on top of the depressive episode, and I can't seem to stop moving my legs. It's like very uncomfortable if I don't. Anyway, this smells amazing. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what, but I feel like I've smelled this smell before. It's just like a wonderful bouquet of flowers. It has So many different amazing floral scents in here. It's quite strong, quite punchy, very punchy in the nose florals. It's like you walked into a flower shop full of white flowers and roses. I really like it. I actually really, really like it. It smells a little bit like an old lady perfume, but in a way that I quite enjoy. So yeah, so that was Cocktail Shower Gel. Very amazing. Much love. Let's dig around here. What is the next thing? It's in a little box. Bath confetti. Was? Oh my god, that sounds cute. Oh, I don't think I can open the box without, like, ruining it. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. Ooh, it's a pink, pastel pink box, again with the cute, like, little confetti themed label on it. Is it gonna be confetti shaped like something? No, it looks like, okay, I'm a little scared because I don't want to ruin the box, but I think I will probably have to ruin it a little bit. Why am I bad at opening things? Ah! My nails can't handle this stress. Okay, so I'm just gonna peek through the side of it before opening this box fully, but it looks to me like they are just like little discs of bath bombs, or that's at least how they appear to be looking from the tiny crack that I managed to make in the side of it. And it smells like Celebrate in here. It smells limey. Sublimey limey. I like it. I'm gonna fully open this later. Probably gonna put a picture of video on screen after I've gotten the footage of the B-roll and everything. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's see what's next. Oh, this looks like a bubble bar. It says happy birthday on it. That's so cute. It looks like a little present. It's like wrapped up like a little bow. It's a bubble bar that's wrapped up like a little, with like a little bow. Oh my god, this is so absolutely cute and adorable. Oh, it has a to from label on it if you wanted to gift this. It smells a little bit like snow cake. Like it's got like an almondy marzipan-y kind of smell, but it's also got some floral or something in there. This smells absolutely sublime. I really love the smell of this. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. I wish I could just bottle this scent and have it in a million different formats. Very, very nice. Much, much, much love for this scent. This is a very exciting box. I'm quite liking it. And I love the whole birthday funfetti, confetti theme of everything. I love that kind of stuff. Okay, next we've got the Party On Shower Slime, which is this like neon greeny yellowy kind of highlighter color. Did I say shower slime? I'm not sure. I meant shower jelly if I said shower slime. This one smells just okay. It's minty and limey, but I don't know. I'm not loving how the scents in here are balanced. They smell a little odd, but it's still okay. It's not my favorite, but it's not like terrible. The color of it kind of reminds me of Jilted Elf. Yeah, it's okay. It smells all right. It's just a little bit, like the scents in there are good, but it's just the way that they're balancing with each other is a little bit off-putting, but it's all right. I think I'll enjoy using it anyways. I quite like that it's like an invigorating, energy-giving fragrance. Did you just hear my shoulder pop? That was good. I'm old, by the way. I am an old lady. In here we look to have a, ooh, what is this? Is it a soap? Is it a bubble bar? Is it a bubble bath bomb? Oh, we have two more things. Okay, this is a soap, firstly. Oh! It has two happy smiley faces in the back of it. That's so cute. So we've got Lush Kitchen on one side, and then on the other side we've got two happy faces, one pink and one yellow. Oh my god, that is so adorable. What does this smell like? I have no idea. It smells a little bit zingy. That's all I can describe. It's just some zinginess. All right, I guess we'll see based on the ingredients what this is supposed to smell like. But yeah, it smells a bit, I don't know, I suppose citrusy or spicy or something. And it has some golden powder on here, which is also very nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. Ooh. All right, and then I think our last thing in here is a teeny tiny itsy bitsy little solid perfume, and of course it is the 29 High Street solid perfume, because if we have anything 29 High Street on the vote, I don't see how any Lushy in their right mind would not vote for it, because this is just like the smell that you get when you walk into a Lush shop, and it is amazing. My hands are very slimy from all the different products I've touched right now. And my nose is a little bit stuffy. I can't smell very well. This doesn't smell very strong, but it does smell like 29 High Street. That's nice. I'm gonna put some on me right now. Oh yeah, that's so good. I love it. I am very, very much pleased with the contents of this box. This was a really, really nice box. Now let's have a look into the spoilers. Okay, so I'm gonna read the note card now. So, it's our second birthday and we're bringing the party to your bathroom. For an impromptu shower shindig, pour yourself a large helping of the glamorous cocktail shower gel. To really celebrate in style, prepare a bath time bonanza complete with bubbles and confetti. And if you went hard before you went home, we have your morning after covered. Blast away the morning fug. What is a fug? With Party On shower jelly. Really give yourself a jolt and use it straight out of the fridge. Or opt for a quick freshen up with zingy citrus soap and a sweep of iconic 29 High Street perfume. You'll be ready for good times anytime. Whee! Alrighty. Alright, so the soap was the Happy soap. Exactly what I am in need of right now, my friends at Lush. And then, okay, so the bubble bar is just called Happy Birthday. Okay. And those are our only, like, mystery items that didn't have names on it. The rest, we already know what it all is. I gotta say, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna love using everything in this box. The only thing I'm a little bit skeptical of is perhaps the Party On, but even this I think will be nice, as they say, for just giving you a little pep in your step, waking you up, giving you some energies, some good vibes. Wow. All of this aromatherapy around me has really, like, made me feel a little bit better. That's quite nice. I still could use a nap, but, you know, 10 a.m. is not an acceptable time for napping, unfortunately. All right, so that was it for this month's Lush Kitchen unboxing. I hope you guys loved watching it as much as I loved unboxing it. I had a very good time. Oh, and this is so cute. I didn't even notice. The inside of the box has like a little planet Earth hugging a little bunny, you know, I guess like good for the planet and good for animals. And a little avocado and a tomato or an apple or something. Those are so cute. I love the new box design. I mean, it's a box. It's not, there's not anything particular about it, but I was quite excited about the different shape because it's different, and change is something that I am very, very receptive to and resistant. Both at the same time. I'm rambling, so I'm just gonna say, yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share the love, share the good vibes, and send some good vibes my way, because I kind of need it right now. But thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.